Hey, what's up, guys? I got this MZO soundbar a couple weeks ago, so I just want to tell you about my experience, give you a little walkthrough of how to put it together, tell you what I like about it, and then give you a little bit of the audio sample so you can see what you're in for. So one of the first things that I thought was really cool about it is that you have the option of either having it set up, or I guess split apart into two separate pieces in a tower, how you see it set up now, or you can connect them together and have them sit flat and lay like on your entertainment center all as a single unit. So I'll just show you real quick how to take it apart and set it up in one single unit. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is pick up the sound bar, and it has just twist and unlock mechanism in there. So if you look at the bottom of the sound bar here, you can see kind of this unique design in here that makes it fit into the base itself perfectly. And see, this one is marked L, and you can't cross them, and I'll show you the other one so you can see the actual difference. It comes pre-installed with a speaker wire that runs from one soundbar base to the other soundbar base. You can pick up the other one and do the same thing, just twist, unlock it, and then you have both pieces there. So you can see this one, that the left side, the soundbar actually fits, has a plug, so this plugs into it to snap in, and it's kind of like the reverse pattern or design over on this side. Now that I have the base taken off both pieces, you can see, like I was saying, that they actually will fit in with each other super easy, like that, and then twist them, and now it's one piece. But when I set it up with as the towers earlier, I actually like the sound a lot better. So to just show you the sample, I'm going to take this back apart again, and now you can see again that they are assembled again that easy. So I'm just going to spread them apart a little bit and then play you the audio sample. It actually sounds a lot better to me when you have them split up this way, because it just makes it really easy to angle and direct the sound where you want it to go, which is really the whole purpose of it, right? Because when you're watching your TV, the sound pretty much comes out of the back. So when you use your sound bar, it projects out towards you wherever you're sitting. A little bit of audio for you so you can hear it. So hopefully I was able to give you a pretty good idea of what you can expect when you get the MZO soundbar. I think it's a really good buy, especially compared to some of the other ones that I've seen out, maybe some bigger name brands. And the overall quality, to me, it's been really amazing. I think it's a really cool product. I love the soundbar and I recommend it.